Nate, I can't believe we have 100 years between us and we've never been to the bottom. So this is an official Grand Canyon National Park North Rim frontier cabin that sleeps up to 3, has a 3/4 bath, built like a Lincoln log cabin. It's 48 degrees out, 6:55 a.m. About to do the North Kaibab. Bring it in now. Dear Lord, please watch over Nate and I as we descend into the largest canyon on earth. There is where the bridge connects, and people have been going across. So we're about 3/4 of a mile to Phantom Ranch. It's been a long hike, but it's really cool. Nate is in one canyon over there, and then it's really cool. Then there's this other canyon right there, and of course this one just keeps. Mr. Warner, are you ready to achieve your destiny and climb out of this canyon today?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Hey, good man.
Yeah, that's the box. That's amazing.
Yep, yeah.